Hi class, my name is Kimberly Tirado, and my one item speech is going to be based on my co-captain pin. My I picked this one item for my speech because this pendant means a lot to me. This pendant might be really small and piece of tin, but it means strength, dedication, and hard work. And this this really helped me in many ways. And after high school, it just meant so much to me. And it all started in senior year when I tried out for leadership. I tried out for leadership my senior year. I was very afraid. I was scared, and I thought I wasn't ready. I thought I wasn't worthy enough, and I was scared because I kept looking at the people that I was competing against. They were excellent with their routines. They were, I don't know, they were just outstanding, and I thought I was just the GOAT. And I was thinking to myself, I was like, if I try, would I even get it? So I kept telling my friends, I was like, I'm not gonna try it. I'm not gonna try it. I'm gonna just just leave it. And my friends kept pushing me. They're like, no, Kim, you have to do it. You're very dedicated to this team, and we see it. Like, we believe in you. And I was like, okay, if they're telling me, then okay, you know? But I didn't think nothing of it. So I was like, no, I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. And back in the 3 days that I've been in drill, I was always the one that kept giving ideas, or I was always the one like very excited waking up. I would always help my coach. I was always the one like, oh, if you need anything, like tell me. I'll bring waters, or anything that has to do with with the team. I was always there. After school practices in the morning, like even in the afternoon, like I was always there in the past 3 years that I've been there. And and then yeah, so my sister, actually, she was captain of the drill, and I was telling her, I was like, no, I don't want to do it. I feel like I'm not good. And she was like, no, like, I see in me and you. Like, I see you when I was in high school, and I was afraid of trying out, but like, I made it. And I feel like you have the same strength as I do, or like you just have your own strengths too. Like, you bring enthusiasm. You light up the team, like with the way you are. And I was like, okay, and then I was like, okay, I might just try it out. Like, everyone was telling me to do it. They were telling me that I was capable of, and I was like, okay, then I can do it. So I tried out for leadership, and I made it. I got lieutenant. We considered it co-captain. But yeah, I made it. And after that, it was all hard work. It was always asking if anyone needed help, or if even during school, when it came to competition, when it came to routines in the football field, anything, I was always asking them if they needed help, or if they couldn't do anything to tell me, or to help me, I'll help them. Like, if they need help, call me, or anything. Like, if it came for challenges when you needed to beat someone to take their spot, like, I would help both of them. Like, it was never like, oh, I'll choose you. Like, I was always a captain. So when I got after all that, my coach, she told me that the reason why she chose me to be a leader was because she believed that that I had the ability to take the actions for the team. She believed that I was always the one to be dedicated and uplift everyone's mood, and it was never a down mood when I was there. She thought that I helped them like break out of their shell. So that helped me, and it just made me realize like, wow, like I'm a leader. So I did my own research on true leadership, and what true leadership means is not being afraid of taking big steps for the team to win. So basically, what true leadership means is not being afraid of taking big steps for the team to win. Basically, just helping the team take bigger steps and not letting no one be afraid of breaking out of the shell. Like people not being afraid of not reaching their goal. When someone has their goal, you as a leader are supposed to help them get to where they want. Don't doubt them, because once you doubt them, that's it. They're not gonna want to continue, and you're the one that helps them get to where they want to be. And as me, with this pen helps me realize who I am and like who I help reach their goal, basically. And this helps every time I see it. So thank you for listening.